Look up at the night sky. Every star you see could have planets. Some of those planets might have oceans, mountains, or even life. For centuries, humans have wondered, are we alone in the universe? This question is one of the biggest mysteries in science. It touches on our curiosity, our sense of wonder, and even our place in the cosmos. The universe is vast, so vast that it's hard to imagine. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Many of those stars have planets orbiting them. Some of those planets might be like Earth, with the right conditions for life to begin. The math suggests there should be many chances for life out there. Yet, despite all this, we have not found a single sign of life beyond our planet. No signals, no messages, no alien footprints in the dust. This silence is both puzzling and exciting. It makes us wonder, if life can exist elsewhere, why haven't we found it yet? This question leads us straight into one of the most fascinating puzzles in science, the Fermi Paradox. It's a mystery that challenges everything we think we know about life, the universe, and our place in it. The Fermi Paradox is named after the famous physicist, Enrico Fermi. One day, while chatting with colleagues, Fermi asked a simple question, where is everybody? He meant, where are all the aliens? If the galaxy is full of planets and life is common, shouldn't we see signs of other civilizations by now? This question is a paradox because the numbers suggest we should not be alone. The Milky Way galaxy alone has hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets. Some of those planets are in the habitable zone where water could exist. If even a tiny fraction of those worlds have life, there should be millions of living planets. So why haven't we heard from anyone? Scientists have searched for radio signals, strange patterns, or anything that might hint at alien technology. So far, nothing has turned up. This silence is sometimes called the Great Silence. It's not just that we haven't found aliens. They haven't found us either. No visits, no messages, no evidence. The Fermi Paradox challenges us to think deeply. Are we missing something? Is there a reason why the universe seems so quiet? Or are we truly alone, floating on a tiny blue planet in a vast, empty sea? Scientists have come up with many ideas to solve the Fermi Paradox. The first theory is that life itself is very rare. Maybe the conditions that created life on Earth are almost impossible to repeat. If that's true, we might be a cosmic accident, a lucky roll of the dice. The second idea is that civilizations don't last long. Maybe intelligent life destroys itself quickly, through war, pollution, or disaster. If the window for communication is short, it's easy to miss other civilizations. We might be looking for signals that vanished millions of years ago. A third theory is the zoo hypothesis. Maybe advanced aliens know we're here but choose not to contact us. They could be watching, waiting for us to reach a certain level of development. To them, we might be like animals in a nature preserve. Interesting, but not ready for contact. Another idea is that alien technology is simply unrecognizable. We might be searching for radio waves, but aliens could use methods we can't even imagine. It's like tuning a radio to the wrong station and wondering why you hear nothing. Finally, there is the concept of the Great Filter. This is a barrier that most life cannot pass. It could be the jump from simple cells to complex organisms, or from intelligence to technology. If the Great Filter is ahead of us, it means we face tough challenges. If it's behind us, we might be one of the lucky few to make it this far. The search for life got a major boost with the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. This powerful telescope lets us look deeper into space and time than ever before. It can study the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, planets that orbit other stars. JWST can detect tiny changes in light as a planet passes in front of its star. By analyzing this light, scientists can look for biosignatures, chemical clues that might mean life. For example, oxygen, methane, and water vapor are signs that could point to biological activity. JWST's sharp eyes are giving us our first real chance to study alien worlds up close. Recently, JWST studied a planet called K2-18b. This world is larger than Earth and orbits in its star's habitable zone. Scientists found hints of molecules like methane and carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. These could be signs of life, or they could come from non-living processes. Either way, it's a big step forward. JWST is also peering back in time, studying some of the earliest galaxies. By understanding how stars and planets formed, we learn more about the chances for life to arise. Every new discovery brings us closer to answering the big question. The search for life isn't just happening with telescopes. Projects like SETI, The search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Listen for signals from the stars. Scientists use giant radio dishes to scan the sky for anything that might be a message from another world. So far, SETI has not found a signal, but the search continues. Closer to home, missions are exploring planets and moons in our own solar system. NASA's Perseverance rover is searching for signs of ancient life on Mars. Other missions are planned for Europa and Enceladus, icy moons with oceans beneath their surfaces. These places could be hiding life right in our cosmic backyard. Every year, astronomers discover more exoplanets, some in the habitable zone. Many of these worlds have the right temperature for liquid water, a key ingredient for life. We have not found proof yet, but the number of promising targets is growing fast. The universe is huge, and our tools are getting better. With each new discovery, we get closer to answering the most profound question of all: are we alone? Science is making progress, and the search continues. Someday, we may finally learn if there is life beyond Earth.